Hey everyone, it's Brandon Daniel here with the Dumbbell. Whether you're planning for your New Year's resolution or spring is right around the corner, everyone is looking to tone up their arms. And those winter layers are gonna be coming off before you know it. So we gotta get those arms in great shape. I'm gonna show you guys a great 10-minute tank top arms workout that you can do at home. So we're gonna do 3 exercises. The first one we're gonna do is gonna be a wide bent over row. So we're gonna have 2 dumbbells. We're gonna row it up towards our chest, just like this. So we're gonna get our elbows wide, come all the way up to our chest. And it doesn't matter what leg is out in front, it's just more for balance. So we're gonna do 20 reps on that exercise right there. Now the next one, you might wanna drop your weights and go a little bit less, but we're gonna go lateral raises to frontal raises. So when you're doing this exercise, try not to rock the arms and swing the arms when you guys come up and come all the way up to your shoulders. So on this one, do about 10 total reps. So that's 10 lateral raises and 10 frontal raises because it will take a little while. The third exercise is gonna be bicep curls to an overhead press. So we're gonna go straight up, come right back down, press straight up here. And you'll notice the bicep curls will probably be a little bit easier than the press. And when you're doing this one, on the third exercise, you're gonna notice your shoulders are gonna be on fire. So you have to drop the weights a little bit, that's totally fine. So do 3 sets of 20 reps on those exercises, and you're gonna get a great tank top arms workout. So we'd love to hear from you. Please reach out to us on any of our social media channels, and I'll see you guys next time.